So here's how you know if you're eligible for a VA streamline. Number one, you have to have a VA loan right now on your home. You have to have lived in your home. It must have been a home, even though you're not living in it now, that you lived in at one point in time. You must lower that interest rate if you're going from a fixed rate to any other mortgage. And that interest rate must lower by half point. So if you're at 5% today, you're going to have to get at least to a 4.5%. Now, if you're on an adjustable rate mortgage and you would like to get into a fixed rate, that rule does not apply. As long as you're getting off of an adjustable into a fixed, you're good to go. Another thing to remember, if you're on a fixed rate loan and you want to get into an adjustable rate, then you must drop your interest rate 2 points. So back to that 5%, you're going to have to go down to a 3% or lower in order to be eligible. If you choose to do a VA streamline with closing costs, you have to recoup your closing costs within 36 months. So let's just say there's $3,000 in closing costs and you're saving $300 a month. If you take 3,000 divided by 300, that's 10 months. You're recouping your closing costs within 10 months. You're good to go as long as you're recouping within 36 months. Finally, you must have made at least 6 mortgage payments on your mortgage, and you must have allowed 210 days to transpire from the date of that first mortgage payment up until your 6th payment. And you also must be paid current. You cannot be behind or delinquent on your VA loan in order to do a streamline.